Hey, I'm Dominic. I'm ATC's customer specialist, and today we're going to talk about our oven and cooktop. This is going to come standard on our Play 750 models, and we have customers ask how it works. Now, when you go to turn the burners on, you do want to make sure that this glass panel is lifted. You just pull it up top like that. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the knob for whichever burner you want to turn on, rotate it over to high, low, doesn't matter. Push that knob in and rotate the igniter knob. Then you can adjust to however much flame you want. When you want to turn it off, just rotate it to off and you're good to go. Now for the oven, it's the far right knob here. Rotate that to whichever temperature you want. I have it set to 350, and I'm going to come back over to the same igniter knob that I would use for the burners. Give that a rotate and you're good to go. When I want to turn that off, just rotate that over to off. We do have a lot of customers ask, or maybe they're concerned that they're not seeing a pilot light. This does not come with a pilot light. This is going to have a spark igniter on it, similar to your grill in the backyard. So you follow those steps and you'll be good to go. This does run off of LP, not electric.